National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Benton County in northwestern Arkansas, northern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:17 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Siloam Springs, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Fayetteville, Springdale, Rogers, Bentonville, Siloam Springs, Lowell, Gentry, Toddtown, Cave Springs, Highville, Springtown, Northwest Arkansas Regional Air, Cincinnati, Centerton, Johnson, Elm Springs, Goshen, Savoy, Weddington, Gallatin. This includes Interstate 49 between mile marker 64 and 89. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.